the product of cot and A. Clearly this is false. We have discussed this in the second class. I think false. Okay, false. Because cot A is not a product. Answer is simply because cot A is not the product of cot and A. Then what is it? Okay, cot A is a single symbol. It's not a product. Cot A is a single symbol denoting the ratio. What ratio? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse of the sides of a right triangle. It's not a product, it's a symbol, single symbol, right? So that's your answer. The last one, 5. It is saying sine theta by, the question is saying sine theta equal to 4 by 3 for some value of angle theta. Possible or not? Let's check. Now here, very clearly sine theta, our answer, sine theta equal to 4 by 3. Numerator bigger than denominator, so 4 by 3 greater than 1. We know that. Okay, and also we know sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse in a right triangle. We know this very clearly. Okay, so here so we can write there, but hypotenuse we know is the longest side, is the longest side in a right triangle. This is very clearly established that hypotenuse is the longest side. No other sides in a right triangle can be longer than hypotenuse. We know that from our previous knowledge. That is, in other words, writing in short, hypotenuse is greater than, definitely greater than, opposite side. So if sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse and hypotenuse is greater than this one, how come hypotenuse denoting 3 here is greater, hypotenuse denominator 3 indicating 3 is greater than numerator? It's impossible, right? That is, hypotenuse which is in the denominator should be, for sine theta, denominator should be always greater than numerator, because hypotenuse is the longer than opposite side also, adjacent side also. So sine theta, final answer you can write here. So we know very clearly sine theta equal to 4 by 3 given in the question. 4 by 3 greater than 1 is impossible, is therefore false, because hypotenuse should be greater than, so 3 by 4, then correct, but here numerator bigger. Denominator should always be bigger for sine, but denominator is smaller, so this is false. That's what it means. So the above, this statement is false. So like this we have justified the 5 questions. I think these 5 are there. So that concludes this portion. Okay.